Welcome children in bio class. Children, today I am going to teach you chemical coordination and integration. The internal environment of animal body is maintained in a steady state by autonomic nervous system and the endocrine system. The endocrine system brings about chemical coordination by complex organic compounds. That complex organic compound which brings about chemical coordination are called hormones. The term hormones was coined by W. M. Bayliss and E. H. Starling. Hormones are chemical messengers. Hormones defined as non-nutrient chemicals which act as intercellular messenger and are produced in trace amount. Hormones help to maintain constant environment inside the body. Hormones control cellular activities either by entering either by entering the cell and influencing its activities directly or by transferring commands to specific chemical messengers within the cell. Hormones act by turning off or on genes for a special function. Hormones act by slowing down or speeding up the rate at which target cells perform their normal functions. Children, hormones are produced by glands. The glands which produce hormones are called endocrine glands. Why the glands are endocrine? Its reason is the secretion of these glands are directly coming into the blood. They don't have duct for the transportation of their secretion, but they pour their secretion directly into the blood. Therefore, these glands are also called ductless glands or endocrine gland. Endocrine gland means glands of internal secretion. The secretion of endocrine glands are hormones. So, children, you have to know hormones are chemical regulators or chemical messenger of the body. These are also described as information molecule. Hormones are secreted in response to change in the environment inside or outside. The word hormone has taken from Greek word hormone. English meaning of it is to excite. Hormones have some basic characteristics. First point in the characteristics of hormones are produced in some organ and influence the functioning of some other organ. Second point, hormones are transported to the target organs by blood. Third point, hormones are required in very small quantities. Fourth point, hormones are highly specific in their action. All hormones reach every part of the body, but they are influencing only specific organ, and that specific organ which are influenced by the hormones that is called target organs. Children, you have to study chemical nature of hormones. Animal hormones are organic substances and they are divided into two major classes. First is steroid hormones, second is amino acid derivatives. Steroids hormones are sex hormones. They are secreted by gonads and adrenal cortex. Example of steroids hormones are estrogens, progesterone, testosterone, aldosterone. Other group of hormone is amino acid derivatives. They are glycoproteins, protein, polypeptide, and modified amino acid are biogenic amines. Glycoproteins are luteinizing hormones, thyroid stimulating hormones. Proteins are somatotropic hormones, follicle stimulating hormones, lactogenic hormones. Polypeptides are adrenocorticotropic hormones, melanocyte stimulating hormones, antidiuretic hormones, parathormone, insulin, and glucagon. Modified amino acids are thyroxine, epinephrine, norepinephrine. So, children, I told about the endocrine glands, hormones, and chemical nature of hormones.